Viva na Hololive.
Haven't had one of these situations in a bit, actually. Now that I'm really thinking about it, I was like, oh yeah, this is normal for me. But now I'm realizing, no, it had actually been a minute. Son of a bitch.
Son of bitch.
No, don't say that, Kobo. Don't say that.
Ah.
You shouldn't have to say that.
Okay, I want.
There we go. I'm not gonna say anything because I want Kobo to keep making those noises. That's very nice. Feel free to continue. I see. Yep. Oh my god, no way, me too. Girl. Yeah! Ghost, hello! You know, if you curse a lot, never mind. We're not gonna do that. No cursing. No, please! Let Kobo say the F word, but I wouldn't be a very good father if I did that, would I be? Hello, Ghost! Kobo, where are you?
I'm upstairs.
Okay, I'm coming to help, because I help. Hello, is that Mary Davis? Looking great.
Mary.
You look great, Mary. Mary, you are beautiful. You're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful. Oh my god, Kobo, yes! You're beautiful.
It's copyright! No.
You want to finish it? I saw your face.
No.
Uh-huh.
No, it's copyright. No.
Oh, it is? Oh, I see. Oh, you're worried about
Copyright.
the DMCA. You're worried about the DMCA.
Of course, whatever it is.
Well, mine's unarchived.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
mine
okay.
is not.
Well, what if I wasn't even singing the lyrics, Kobo? What if I was just like... Kobo's my son.
No.
Kobo's my son.
YouTube algorithm will detect the melody.
It's much stricter than I thought it would be. All right, gotcha.
Yeah, I know YouTube algorithm.
Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and